back to another parent portal tutorial for Infinite Campus. In this video, we're going to be going over grades. To get over to the grades, we want to click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and go to grades. The menu for grades will show you a listing of the courses that your child is taking over on the left-hand side. It will show a cumulative GPA as well. At the high school level, we have two grade books currently. The first one is a standard base grading gradebook, which means that the standards for the course are individually graded, and then they will roll up into an average. So if we were to look at English 2, English 2 is a standard-based grading course, and when you get to this point, you'll notice that it gives you an English 2 overall score. Currently, this student has a 2.5. So that means all of the scores that they have had in terms of the standards listed below are averaged to a 2.5. You'll see that I have textual evidence as one of the standards. Right now it's marked as a 3. So if I were to click here, it's going to take me to a breakdown of how textual evidence is scored. So if I come over here to the right side, I can hit the plus, and it will show that there was a Chapter 6 response with the date and the score of 3 as well. If I were to click on this arrow here, it will give me a breakdown of all of the scores for this assignment. So for this Chapter 6 response, the two standards that were graded were for textual evidence and also text comprehension. If I scroll back down for English 2, you'll see that there are more standards with scores as well too. And again, these all will roll up to an overall score. If I were to scroll down, it will take my overall score and convert it to a letter grade, as you can see here. The next grade book that the high school has is a traditional grade book. We'll go down to U.S. history, and when I hit the plus sign, it will give me a breakdown of all the standards that U.S. history covers. However, you'll notice that there are not scores on here. To find out what your child's grade is, you will need to scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see that it has a semester grade. It converts it to a percentage and a letter grade. If I were to click on this arrow, so what we want to take a look at is on the left-hand side, you'll see that we have homework, summative, and formative. These are weighted. So the homework assignments are weighted at 10, summative is weighted at 90, and formative work is not weighted at all, so there is no, it does not go towards the overall score of the student's grade. Over on the right-hand side, we can hit the plus sign, and it will give us a breakdown of the homework assignments. As you can see, the scores are on the right-hand side, the due dates are in the middle, and then the title of the homework is over here. And then if you scroll down to summative, you can now see all of these summative assessments that go to the overall score. And those roll up to the score that you see here for semester 1. And that sums up our video on Gradebook for the high school in both standard-based grading and traditional.